If you're working with sales data and you want totals that automatically update when you filter rows, how would you do it? Here's my dataset with regions, salespeople, and sales numbers. Now, if I use a simple sum formula, watch what happens. Even when I filter for North only, it still adds up everything. That's not what we want. Here's the trick. Instead of sum, use subtotal. Type equals subtotal 9D11. Now, when I filter the data, the total updates instantly based on what's visible. Much smarter, right? And that's how you make your totals smarter in Google Sheets. Follow for more quick analytics hacks.